The sine function. Let's consider the unit circle given by u squared plus v squared equals 1. Now let x be the standard arc measure in radians from 1, 0 to u, v, as shown. Let's focus our attention on the second coordinate, v equals sine x, as x makes one counterclockwise lap around the circle from 0 all the way to 2 pi. For what values of x does sine x equal 0? Well, that would be here and here. There are two positions on the unit circle where the second coordinate is 0, but there are three solutions for x is between 0 and 2 pi. Sine of 0 equals 0, sine of pi equals 0, and sine of 2 pi equals 0. So x can equal 0, pi, or 2 pi. As you can see, 0 and 2 pi are both this point right there. Now let's find values of sine x for the arcs that measure x. So we have this point right here at 0. When x equals 0, sine of 0 equals 0. But here, when x equals pi over 12, which is 15 degrees, you can see here on the protractor, if you put that in your calculator, you see that sine of pi over 12 equals 0.259. That's the length of this green line. Now let's go to the next slide to see this table all filled in. For each point here, you can see that the line that goes from the x-axis up to that point is getting longer. And remember, that is the sine value. So as we get to pi over 2 right here, because this is a unit circle, we know that this length is 1. And you can see that sine of pi over 2 is 1. So you can see the values increasing in length until we get to the maximum value of 1.